Okay, traders, yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is gold spot and it is analysis for the coming week. This will be from 17th to 21st of Feb. So actually this is top-down analysis from monthly time frame, then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and 4-hour time frame is where I point out those key areas, now the key areas of entry or areas of taking trades. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 4-hour time frame. And in this analysis I'll be also looking on the fact of conference. I will be pointing out the wave counts, like how you see in the chart, the trend lines, the support and resistance, and also I'll be reading the candles and the candlestick patterns. So under confluence of all these factors, I am able to provide a probable direction for the coming week. Okay, so in monthly time frame now, actually we can see exactly it is continuation of the midweek update, because we had a midweek update on Wednesday. So actually it is exactly a continuation. So we see price is still playing above this level. So this level is very crucial because we see price took some time, several months, to break this level. So it is just in Feb, it is when successively price played above it. So in most cases, we can expect this level is going to hold gold above it for some time off, for an extended period of time. And actually, we're looking on other levels above here. So now these are the levels of equality of several waves now back there. So actually, we can expect the price may react within these levels of equality. And at the same time, we have a trend line that is passing all the way from the bottom left. And then quickly, let me go to weekly time frame and see what are the key things. Okay, yes, so in weekly time frame, actually things are getting even much better. We see I've been talking about this trend line. It is more than 3 weeks. So actually we see now currently price is up, is exactly at the trend line, because we see the reaction there. So this week price reacted at this trend line. So this may indicate that the trend line may hold true, rejecting price to the downside. And this rejection to the downside, in most case in relation to wave counts, it is expected to be information of the fourth wave. And actually if you are looking on the levels of support and resistance, it will be a retest to this broken level here. So actually we have several reasons on why price is expected to come at this level down here. Okay, so that's very basic in weekly time frame. Then going straight to the daily time frame. Okay, yes, so in daily time frame, as usual, we see there are things that are repeatedly happening every week. So we see a Friday candle, it is a stronger bearish, and it has been several days back. We have never seen such bigger bearish candle. So we see sellers came here very strongly. At this level, it marks the level of the double top. It is a sort of double top here. So this stronger push to the downside may indicate a possibility of reversal. But at the same time, you see when the price was pushing down, it seems to be a retest at this level where price was rejected several times in the past, broke above the level, tried to push down, pushed up, again down, pushed up. So it is coming here again. So this level is very crucial. So if price will manage to break and move below this level, so we can expect continuation to the downside. But currently, based on the current price position, we can expect a bounce to the upside. So in 4-hour time frame, now we'll see exactly how are we going to trade this level. So that's very important. But one thing to observe or to mark here is our market has been doing this repeatedly. Every Friday, bearish candle. Every Friday, if you go here, we had this Friday bearish candle. I mean, it is now rejection in any way, rejection or bearish. And then if you go back again, Friday rejection, but price continued to the upside. You see Friday rejection from the upside, but still price continued. Then another Friday. So actually, there are several Friday candles that indicate a sort of reversal, but the price keep on pushing to the upside. This is not a strategy, but it's something to observe. So even here, price may show a sort of bearish momentum. A Monday candle may try to support this, but the rest of the days price may continue pushing to the upside. So okay, so this is not a strategy as I've said. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see exactly how are we going to trade. Okay, so now the 4-hour time frame has got a lot of things, but there are just a few things to observe. And basically I focused on the levels because with the current market move, there is much influence from the fundamentals. So if you base on the technical, like the wave counts, you can find that market is violating most of the structures. So okay, now we see the levels of double top, and that is what was highlighted on the midweek update. We were expecting for price not to break past this level, so it has respected, and we see at least there's increase of bearish momentum. So now we see here a sort of WXY to the upside, so this is an impasse. Okay, in any way, so this may continue or may end up from this level. But now, how are you going to trade next week? So since we have this level of support, so you'll be watching for a possible push to the upside, and we will clearly understanding the formation if it will be a corrective move or not. So if price will be moving to the upside in a corrective mode up to around the level of 29.10, so we'll be now watching for possible sell opportunities. If this will fail, we can continue to the upside and taking some short-term buys up to the levels of 29.21. Then from here we'll be watching for sells. If then this level will fail again, we'll continue taking some buys again up to this level, the level of 1942. Now this is the historical high. So if price is going to break the historical high, we may continue taking some sells up to this level of trend line now, 1970 something here. So that is how we are going to take as the first approach now next week. Alternatively, if price will come here to those mentioned levels and being rejected to the downside, we'll be observing for sells up to the current market price 28.80. If this will be broken, then we'll be taking other sells to the next level, then other sells up to this level. So this is the maximum sell we are expecting. From here, mostly price must react and continue to the upside. So that's how you are going to trade. So do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, and also make sure that you observe the money management, and also you observe the news, because actually they violate those projections that we have within the technical analysis. So thank you and have a powerful weekend.